Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Bitcoin's coming close to my 63K trade target and my 59K bigger trade target that I've been waiting for a few months. I mean, more than 1 month I've been saying these same two targets and everyone was calling me crazy, and now we're close, which is beautiful. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technical. And you can see Bitcoin came down last night to 63,000, so close to opening my trade actually. It came down to 63,333, 63333. The lowest was 63,333. My trade was 63,287. So it missed it so far by $40. Volume is starting to increase. Is it enough to call the bottom? I don't think so, actually. Let's go on to the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, Crypto Guru Bot fired a blue buy. Fired a blue buy back in February 2023, and it's still a blue buy now. Has not flipped to red. Stochastic still turning to head down very quickly. Volume is still dropping off, and clear double top on Bitcoin. One top, two top. Clear double top. I did expect that we'd get a rejection here and that we would pull back to 63, which we're close to, and 59 is my second big trade. And you can see this is the trend line that Bitcoin's been going on all year. However, this is quite dangerous, this double top. Very clear double top. One, two. On this dip I bought in though. Let's look on the daily. On the daily, we had this rising wedge. That's why I was waiting for this 50. I warned everyone 63K and 59K. That rising wedge broke down. Now we're making the opposite. Now we're making a descending wedge, which does this. Builds pressure, and breaks out. Stochastic coming down. Volume on the daily is a little bit better. We picked up volume the last 3 days, but still, it's all selling volume. Squeeze mob still going down. 63 was one major area of support. We got a little bit of a bounce, barely a bounce off there, everyone. So next stop, 59K. Let's go on the 4 hourly. On the 4 hourly, this descending wedge looks like it's about to break out. So today we could have a breakout of this descending wedge. Builds pressure, or one more day possible, or today breakout, hopefully. We need that, otherwise it's just free fall. 63K was one trade. I'll keep it open. Maybe we get one more drop to activate that trade at 63. And at 59K on this yellow trend line is my main trades. But not looking so good on Bitcoin on the weekly with that double top and volume dropping off. Hourly, even if we do get a breakout of this descending wedge, it's a very small one. It only moves the base of the wedge. So the distance that we move is very small for this breakout. It's just going to be a slight pump and then maybe another full correction. You can see to 68 possible, which we need some kind of relief rally. Otherwise, it's going to be a lot of panic in the markets. Over on Bybit, I've got the same trades. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do, going underneath the video, one is the exchanges I use. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus. 2, take all the courses to learn all this. Crypto Master Course gets you the Crypto Guru Bot, and you can learn how to trade and do technical analysis. 24 or 36 hours worth of lessons between those 3 courses. And then join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you. It's a free Telegram. All the links are down below. Over on Bybit, my Bitcoin trades did not yet activate. I lowered the position numbers just because I see a lot of weakness. But I had 2 Bitcoin at 63K now. I changed it from 5 Bitcoin. And I have 5 Bitcoin at 58K, and I've got 500,000 Doge at 0.094. I'm holding in here 2% in pocket, 38% USDT, 16% MCRT, almost 16% Bitcoin, 10% Uni, 8% Doge, 7% Wild. In here 589, so dropped a little bit from yesterday, or almost 596 I was yesterday, so dropped quite a bit, 7K. In here we've got 63K plus 200K, 260K cash, so 38%. 85K MCRT, slightly down. Bitcoin 81K, slightly down. Alts didn't drop on that drop, which is good news. Uniswap, I've got 51K, 2% down. Doge, I've got 46K, 15% up. So they're holding, they have 1.5% up. The alts are holding on this drop. World down 1.3%. I've got 36k, and Pocket 6% down. So Pocket is still free falling. I want to buy. I've got buy orders for Pocket at 0.04. And I'm just keeping safe at the moment because I do think Bitcoin not dropping much, but the altcoins aren't dropping either, which is good news. Like when Bitcoin dropped a little bit, the altcoins barely moved, which is showing that there's signs. On the 4-hourly, I'm seeing inverse head and shoulders on Ethereum. And this bigger bull flag, you can see here where it broke out on that news, 3K, then it came here and it's just bleeding back down. Trade activation for Ethereum is at 3274 on that support, and second one at 3000. And it does look like a bull flag. It can continue moving up if we get some strong movement from here. Let's go into Uniswap, $9.70. $9.70 Uniswap. Also broadening wedge here on Uniswap on the 4-hour. This is a broadening wedge. Can build pressure. That means it could go. I mean, we have support here that's quite strong. What is that? Rising wedge. Not nice. These build pressure, and break down. Any other indicator? Let's look on the daily. On the daily, could be considered an inverse head and shoulders if we get some bullish momentum here. Volume, unlike the others, volume is increasing on Uni, which is a good sign. Volume is not going away like the other altcoins, but slowly compared to the bull market time. Lucky I sold in March, everyone. Congratulations who followed all my videos in March and sold the top with me, because it was the top. Like, okay, maybe Bitcoin is slightly down 63k from that 67 when I sold it, but altcoins are down 50 to 70% since we sold it. So big congratulations, everyone. I started buying in here, but be cautious. DCA down. You don't know when the bottom's in. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Watch my videos if you're skeptical. 4 years I've been making these videos for free. You can watch and you can learn from me. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Stay safe out there. Rule number 1 by Warren Buffett. Don't protect your capital. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. So the main thing you need to do is be protecting your capital. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.